So I'm super excited today to make this video. The two reasons behind it. First is that I ordered another product from eGlobal Central, and I had a lot of comments, people saying on my channel that in the comment section that, oh, maybe eGlobal is fake or whatever it is, but I've been constantly getting products from them, and this product is the DJI OSMO Pocket, which I've just ordered. Here is the product, and it has arrived. So what we'll do is we will do a quick unboxing of this product, and I will basically do a review of the test of this product because Christmas is coming. I ordered this as my New Year Christmas gift, which I'll be using, and I'll be shooting from this video. Plus I needed a product which had a stabilized gimbal, a very tiny product, because I was using the G7X Mark II, which I have. Now I'm recording on my Canon 77D. This is just for indoor recording. And so yeah, guys, let's get into it, and let's unbox this product and let's see what comes in the box. But before we unbox it, let's look around the box, how it is and what actually does it look from the outside. So guys, first off, let me tell you that of course I told you that this product was ordered from Hong Kong. It arrived very quick. I think it took me a week, and it arrived from Hong Kong, from eGlobal Central, and it costed me much more less than what the price is in the market. And the thing is that product packaging is the same anywhere you buy it, in the UK or from Hong Kong or from Australia. So the first thing is that you can see that it's got this plastic on the box, and then on the front it shows you the Osmo Pocket picture, and on the side it says DJI. Over here it gives you the DJI.com address, and on the rear is the main information. If you look over here, it shows you a little bit of the details, some barcode over here, the app, the MyMo app, which you need to download, and it specifically says that it's made for the Final Cut Pro and Final Cut Pro X and iMovie. So it is a pretty much Apple product. So people out there who have an iPhone, it's very much compatible with this product. So this was a little bit about the packaging. Very tiny packaging. I was not expecting it to be so tiny, but let's go ahead and open the box and let's start setting it up then. So the product is simply brilliant. I really enjoyed the purchase, and one thing is that it's got a really nice case which comes with the DJI OSMO Pocket, and the setup is very simple. All you have to do is you just have to connect it to your mobile phone, and it's nothing complicated. It comes with these leaflets, and it comes with a cable to charge and a lanyard. So I was just telling you about the setup. So what you need to do is, after you have taken out your DJI OSMO Pocket, just connect it to your mobile phone, turn it on. It'll do this software upgrade, which is obviously essential, and that would update the firmware as well. So there has been a new firmware update out, which you would need to update, because that is going to improve the active track system significantly. So once that is done, then you are good to go. So first of all, my settings. So what sort of settings am I using? So I'm using 4K 30 frames per second, and I've got this box which is tracking my face, and although I can see myself, so sometimes I look over there and look at the camera. So I think that this is a pretty cool feature. So with this sort of active track, it will keep me in focus. So I had a chance to take it out for a try, and The first thing I've noticed is that the difference, which I didn't understand, between the G7X Mark II or any other vlogging camera is that it has got good stabilization. So you can see that the footage is very stable, although I was moving it really slowly. And then I basically did this shot in which it was a moving shot, but I've slowed it down a little bit. And from here I wanted an upward shot which would give me a sort of a cinematic look. That's what I was trying to achieve. But this was a very simple test in which I was just playing around with the features to understand. The next shot which I took was outdoors in the main Carnaby street, and because there were lots of lights, so I wanted to get a perspective of the video and the image quality, whether there would be any noise in the video. But I did ramp up this video speed up to 200%, and I felt that it's really good, the image quality. This was another shot which I did with active track, and it's simply brilliant. So this brings my video to the end, and I hope you enjoyed this quick setup, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, do subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye for now.